In this video, we will show you how to mount the magnetic switch in the SQ2 series profile cylinder. This is the magnetic switch. Unwrap the magnetic switch. See, this is the round profile magnetic switch. Now take the SQ2 profile cylinder. This is the round profile in which we have to mount the magnetic switch. Assemble the reed switch with sliding in the groove. Tighten the screw at the required position with the help of a screwdriver of 1.2 millimeters. Ensure the magnetic switch must be properly tightened. Now your magnetic switch is successfully mounted and ready for use. Discover the power of SQ2 Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a "Hi" at our WhatsApp number 012047333333 or visit our website SQ2pneumatic.com for more information.